MKT Care software, sending automated messages to potential customers. Introduction. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly looking for effective strategies to reach potential customers. One powerful tool that has gained popularity is MKT Care software, a solution designed to send automated messages to prospects. In this article, we will explore the benefits of using MKT Care software and how it can help businesses boost their marketing efforts. What is MKT Care software? MKT Care software is a marketing automation tool specifically developed to send automated messages to potential customers. It allows businesses to streamline their communication process, saving time and effort. With MKT Care, businesses can create personalized messages and send them to a targeted list of potential customers, increasing the chances of conversion. Benefits of MKT Care software. 1. Time saving. MKT Care software eliminates the need for manual message sending, saving businesses valuable time. It automates the process, allowing businesses to focus on other important tasks. 2. Personalization. With MKT Care, businesses can personalize their messages based on customer data and preferences. This personal touch helps create a stronger connection with potential customers and increases the chances of engagement. 3. Targeted marketing. MKT Care enables businesses to segment their customer list and send specific messages to different groups. This targeted marketing approach ensures that the right message reaches the right audience, maximizing the impact of each communication. Conclusion: MKT Care software provides businesses with a powerful tool to automate their message sending process and effectively reach potential customers. With its time-saving features, personalization options, and targeted marketing capabilities, MKT Care can significantly enhance a business's marketing efforts. Consider integrating MKT Care software into your marketing strategy and experience the benefits it brings.